What is justice? Justice isn't revenge, and it isn't punishment driven by anger. Justice is the steady commitment to doing what is right, especially when it is difficult, uncomfortable, or costly. At its heart, justice is about accountability and balance. It asks simple but necessary questions. What harm was done? Who's responsible for it? What must be done to make things right? Justice protects both people and the systems meant to serve them. Without it, power begins to replace principle. When justice disappears, the consequences show up quickly. The powerful begin to take advantage of the vulnerable. Rules become flexible for some and rigid for others. Trust in institutions begins to erode. Communities lose their sense of fairness and stability. Justice is what keeps order from turning into chaos or control. But justice is not sustained by laws alone. It depends on people with the courage to uphold what is right. Laws can draw the lines, but integrity is what enforces them. Without integrity, justice becomes selective. True justice does three essential things. It holds wrongdoing accountable. It protects those who cannot easily protect themselves. It restores trust where harm was done. Without accountability, injustice spreads. Without protection, the vulnerable are left exposed. Without restoration, the damage continues long after the event. Justice is not about who wins or loses. It is about restoring what should have been right in the first place. And the reality is, justice does not maintain itself. It survives only when people are willing to stand for it, even when doing so requires courage.